Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 8th, 2022. We're going to talk about Ford stock, and I'm going to show you from the chart that may actually give us a heads up that this stock is about to get destroyed. And it's simple. Yeah, you guys can actually tell by zooming out on the Ford's price chart that the dynamics has changed. Now, I'm going to show you all that today, so welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price prediction. You guys can see it right now in front of you on your screen. Now, I'm showing you price predictions without trying to confuse you. It should not be complex, so be very careful of someone that is trying to get you to do quote unquote due diligence. Now, what does that mean? Because every time someone throws out those two words, it simply means that they're telling you that you haven't done enough research. Now, you could do research upon research upon research, and the market will still go against you. There's not enough research in the world that will make your idea as to what a price should be for a particular market to be. You can research yourself to death and you will still lose on the market. It is their loophole to tell you that you're not on par to understanding how to win in the market when they tell you to do your due diligence. I have yet to see someone that come through and say, I've done my due diligence and I got every one of my price ideas correct. It's not going to happen because the market does not work that way. It doesn't work off of due diligence. That is why I come through and focus in on the price and don't worry about nothing else. I don't worry about using technical indicators. I don't worry about someone else's opinion about a stock. I don't worry about a company's earnings release, their conference calls. It doesn't even matter because that is not what moves markets. You need to focus on what is moving the price. And the only thing that can move price is what you and I do. That's it. If the majority of the market is selling, then guess what price is going to do? Fall. Yeah. If the majority of the market is buying, guess what the price is going to do? It's going to go up. And you don't have to try to attach some type of catalyst as to why it is going up or as to why it's going down. It doesn't matter because your perception as to why a price is going up or down could be totally different from the next guy that's standing next to you. He might be thinking that the price is going up because of this reason. You think the price is going up for a totally different reason, and you're both wrong because you don't know. The market is unidentified on who is actually moving the price. That is why I don't focus in on these catalysts. I focus in on what the market is trying to go. So check this out. If y'all appreciate my videos, my content, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. This should not be hard. This should not be difficult. And shame on the people who comes through and make this difficult. This is why so many people think that you can't win in the market. Now check this out. I did a price prediction in the market in Ford on March 21st. You guys can see this right here. Okay. I was looking for the price in Ford to go up, and it did, but it just didn't go all the way up here to $18.75. The buyers didn't really push the price that high. It goes that way, right? It goes that way. Now, I'm sure that I explained a couple of the price targets from where the market was trading at $16.90 all the way up here to $18.70. There were some price targets mixed in. I'm not sure where I had it at, so you have to go back and listen to my last video about Ford stock. You have to go back and listen. But you had what, 1 to 2 days to grab some profitability out the market. That was it. Okay, cool. If you didn't grab that profitability out the market right here on March 29th of about 5%, you were to get on the close yesterday, you're down 11 and a quarter. But hey, if I'm looking for the price in Ford to get destroyed, then you might want to take that 11 and a quarter % loss because it might continue to enlarge itself going forward. Let's get rid of this. All right. Now, let me show you that all I got to do is zoom out of this chart and you can actually tell that Ford stock may actually begin to get destroyed. Now, first of all, let's talk. You guys see where we've been, right? Can you guys see where Ford's price has been? Right here, beginning of this year, January the 13th, 2022, Ford was trading around $26. Yeah, just a couple of months ago. Look at where the price is now. So is trading all the way down here at 15. That's 42.25% deduction in value of this market in Ford in a couple of months. So we could already have been on the process of seeing this stock get destroyed. Now, what happened recently confirms that trend, this weakness, this value that we are seeing diminish from Ford stock, it may in fact continue. And this is the reason why. Let me zoom out of this chart, and I don't even have to say anything. You should already know as to why this particular market can continue to get destroyed. Look at this. Let me zoom out. Take it slow. Look at it. What happened? What just happened into the market in Ford stock? Exactly. It broke the trend. This trend line in Ford stock is now broken. That's not good for the ones looking for the price to continue to go up in the long term. At least continue with this trend. We're not expecting the market in Ford to go up now. It's just that simple. All because this trend has changed. The market has spoken. I didn't cause this. You didn't cause this. The market did. Are you paying attention? We broke this trend. This trend started all the way back here, May 2020. So it's been about 2 years, 2 whole years. We've seen Ford stock go up. So from here, $4.50 to the high of $26, that's 472% profitability. What's wrong with these people that's trying to tell you to hold on to these stocks for 5, 10, 15 years? In less than 2 years, you could have gotten 472% out the market. This is how you know that these individuals don't understand how these markets work. You're not supposed to hold stocks forever. At some point, you got to take the profitability, because at the high in the market right there around 26, you was up 472%. Now, you're seeing that value diminish to 230. Cut in half right there. Cut in half. And if we're going to continue to see Ford stock go down, this 230% is going to continue to get less and less and less. I'm just saying. So now, we are no longer looking for Ford to hold this trend anymore. Look at that. So now what do you suspect? Where are we going to go next? Right? I think we're going to continue to stair step our way lower in Ford stock. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. This is the first area that we can see the market come towards. Okay. Yeah, right there. Right here around $14. Okay. That's the first area. Now, seeing that the price is breaking the trend, I'm going to get rid of this. But there's no need for us to continue to follow it and track it. The confirmation of that price being broken happened this week. So we're not looking forward to that, no. Now, here it is. We're looking for the price in Ford to come down 14 around 14. Okay. It's going to stair step its way lower. Let's look at this on the 5-week time frame. Two weeks. Looking at this from a 2-week perspective, I'm definitely looking for the market in Ford to not hold 14. Now, it's going to be hard for us to try to distinguish where the buyers are going to stand up price in Ford stock going forward. Okay. It's going to be hard. I'm looking around 12. Okay, so we got $14 first. I'm gonna go $12.75 second, $12 third, all the way down to 10 fourth. Now, at any particular of those price levels that I've just mentioned, yeah, the buyers can actually stand up for its price there. Okay. Now, the restriction area is going to be up there around 18 now. Okay. $18. And that first area is going to be that 1275 right here, or like 1250. That's the first area I'm looking for the market in forward to come down. Not hold 14. I understand there's a slim chance that we can see the price hold $14. There's a slim chance, so it wouldn't be a problem for you to come in and take some off the table there. That's 16. I mean, that's 6%. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, nibble off that right there. My second area though for the long term is 1250. Third is $12. Fourth is 10. Now, I'm not going to put that on the chart now, but from the long-term perspective, yes, we can see that happen. Okay. So now let me bring this in closer as we continue to follow the market. I'm showing you what my expectations are in forward. Okay. I want to show you what my expectations are because I'm going to give you all the opportunity to tell me how low you think the market in forward is going to go. All right. So this is it. Let me know real quick. Just drop me a quick comment of your price target, where you think the directional move is going to be in forward as we continue to trade in April going into May. Right. So I got $14 first, $12.50 second, $12 third. All right. So now it's your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.